Hello, everyone. Have you ever wished you could create your own personalized illustrated story? Something magical, completely unique, and tailored just for you or someone special? Well, get ready to be amazed, because Google's new Gemini Storybook is here to turn your imagination into reality. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to create your own unique 10-page storybook, complete with read-aloud narration. And trust me, it's so easy. You'll be making your second one before you've even finished your first. Let's dive in. First, we'll head over to the Gemini overview page. Here you can create stories about literally anything. Fairy tales, adventures, mysteries, you name it. You can even upload your own photos and drawings to give your story a personal touch. This means you're not just telling a story, you're making your story. From the Gemini homepage, look to the Explore Gems section in the sidebar. Here you'll find the Storybook feature. Just click it and you're ready to begin. Now you can type in any story idea you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. For this demo, we're going to make a story to help a 7-year-old who's nervous about sleeping over at their grandma's house. All we have to do is type in a short description. Something like, a comforting bedtime story about Leo, a boy who visits his grandma with a magical flashlight that helps him feel safe. Then watch Gemini work its magic. And there it is, a beautiful, fully illustrated story called Leo and the Bravo-matic Flashlight. You can flip through all 10 pages, each with vibrant custom illustrations. And if you'd rather listen than read, just hit the listen button for the built-in narration. Leo loved his grandma more than pizza with extra cheese, but the thought of a sleepover at her house made his tummy do a flip-flop flutter. You can even change the narrator's voice. Let's
Leo
try
was playing
switching
with his
to a
toy cars
lower-pitched male
when his
voice.
mom and dad called him
Leo
over.
loved his grandma
Guess
more
what,
than
Leo?
pizza
His
with
mom
extra
said.
cheese,
You
but the
get to
thought
have
of
a special
sleepover at her
sleepover at
house
Grandma
made his
Martha's
tummy
house
do a
tonight.
flip-flop flutter. How cool is that? You can also share your story with friends and family by creating a public link. Or, if you want something tangible, you can print the whole thing out and bind it like a real book.
Was at
Imagine
Grandma
giving this
Martha's
as a
front
birthday
door,
present
his
or a
small
keepsake for
backpack feeling heavy.
grandparents. It's a
Grandma
gift
Martha
that's
opened the
truly
door
one of
with
a
a
kind.
big, warm
Now let's say
smile.
you want to change
Leo,
the look
my
of your
favorite
story's
helper is here,
illustrations.
she chirped.
It's as easy as typing a quick
Grand built a
request.
tall
For
tower
example,
with
change the image style to pixel style. Gemini will instantly regenerate your book with a completely fresh artistic style. From whimsical watercolor to bold comic book lines, you can explore as many styles as you want. And that's it! With Gemini Storybook, you can turn cherished memories, inside jokes, or even tricky concepts into stories you can read, listen to, print, and share. It's perfect for kids, but honestly, grown-ups are going to have just as much fun with it. So what are you waiting for? Fire up Gemini and start creating your very own masterpiece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the incredible stories you create.